Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. In my previous video, many of you asked for a complete video for this Spirulina tutorial, so I make this video for you. In this video I will show you how to make a Spirulina tablet and how to feed the fish Spirulina. So I buy some stuff. It's a Spirulina capsule. You can see I buy it from medical shop. You can buy it also from your local medical shop. It's not bad, so you can eat also. If you think you can also eat it, it's natural vitamin, mineral and protein. It's good for health and good for immunity. So I just open a bottle and take two capsules. Okay, and close it. Now open the capsule and okay, now open the capsule and take the powder like this. And this way. I just take two. You can use two, one or more as you can want, as more as you can want, as you need. So one tablet for enough, one capsule for enough 10 to 20 fish, guppy, molly or platy. Okay, now this is mineral water. You can also use capsule, vitamin E capsule, or just simple plain water. Now okay, it is ready, as you can see. Now I am going to my fish tank and feed the fish. So let's go to my tank. Okay, as you can see, it is my guppy fish tank. So this is Spirulina. I just make it. Now I just give them a very vitamin and protein food for guppy health. So I just here, as you can see, they very like it. Thanks for watching for this video. Please subscribe and also like, comment this video. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?